Hi there. I think I know you. Oh, you're Tam, is that right?
Hi. Yes, I am, and you're, oh yes, Daniel. Hello again, Daniel.
Hi. Good to see you again, Tam.
You too.
Now, I know you're not English, but you speak English very well. Where do you come from?
Thank you. I'm from Korea, from Seoul. And you, Daniel, where are you from? London?
No, I'm American. I live in Boston. I don't live in London, but I often come to London on business.
I'm here on business, too. I come to London 2 or 3 times a year, but I also work in America, usually in New York.
Really? I know New York well. Do you like it there?
I do. I love working there. It's an exciting city. My company has offices all over the world, so I often work in Berlin and Paris, too.
What an interesting job. I don't know Berlin or Paris. So, do you speak French and German?
I speak French, but I don't speak it very well.
I don't know any foreign languages.
Oh dear.
This is a great party, and I don't usually like parties. Great music! Do you like dancing, Tam?
I love parties and I love dancing.
Yeah, I like it too, but I don't dance very well.
That doesn't matter. Come on. I want to dance.